Life won't happen magically by waiting and just by praying for it. You gotta work and manifest to make it worth and happening. Always be more appreciative and grateful for what you have, rather than ignoring the ones you already have. Seize the moment and live with it fully. Surround yourself with love and build the kindness and compassion. Be honest and faithful towards your families, your friends, and your loved ones. And always be you, because you are worth it. And always be there for yourself.